to Italy. We are currently on a train that goes from the Rome airport on a Leonardo Express going to the main Rome terminal. And we're not staying in Rome. We're gonna head to Florence, and you're gonna come along for this adventure. That main terminal in Rome is quite the experience. There's like an entire mall there, and we found a Starbucks and a Five Guys. I'm like, did we even leave the United States? Anyway, it's very easy to navigate. I wanted to show you that Italio is the one company that only does express. It's much easier to navigate, I think, than the Trenitalia, which you have to make sure that you get the right train, because the one that begins with an F is the high speed, and all the other ones are the regionals, and they make all the other stops. So make sure you download this on your phone. It's super convenient, and you don't need to get your ticket validated if you buy it online. If you buy your ticket at a booth, you have to get it validated. But when we got on the original Leonardo Express train, all you did is just push it through the gates, and that automatically made it validated. But you cannot get on a train in Italy without validating your ticket, because you can get a fine. So now we wait, and we're taking it straight to Florence. So we are in first class, and an upgrade. Actually, it's not the first class, it's like the second of three classes. So we get food service, like a snack and drinks. So we got Coke Zero, and then look how cool that looks. They're calling this a chocolate pastry. You're not gonna like it, so I'll take it from you. I think he's lying. He says I'm not gonna like it. I think I am gonna like it. Okay, this is my first meal in Italy. We've been traveling for 24 hours now. No, is it 24 hours we've traveled? I've been awake for 24 hours. But we did the overnight from Washington, D.C. to Rome. 16 hours, so it has been 24 since I've been awake though. So anyway, the other thing about business class upgrade is that there's 3 chairs to a car versus 4 to a car. So our seats are a lot wider, and there's a footstool, and we get snacks. So I'm gonna try it. It's a winner. I'm so tired and hungry, and anything would be good at this point, but this is really, really good. We have arrived in Florence. Now the next step is to find the tram to get to our hotel. I'm so tired. There's the building we're staying in. Look at that view. This is next to a university. One of the things in Europe is you have to put the key in here to put the lights on. All right, so here's the room. I'm standing right here at the door, you can see. So it's a very small room, but that's fine. We're not gonna be here most of the time anyway. We've got a bunch of tours and stuff. So this is, it looks like just a shelving wardrobe. Oh no, it's got a hanging wardrobe. There we go, hanging wardrobe on this side. They gave us slippers, so nice. On the other side, we are going to have a safe. I don't know if we're going to unpack totally here. We are here for 4 nights though. I don't have anything to hang. You saw my capsule wardrobe with everything rolled. All right, then you walk in here. We've got a little coffee station. It's got like a coffee kettle maker with a instant Nescafe. I may have to try that, but don't know if I'm gonna like it. It reminds me of Sanka. You guys remember Sanka? I'm dating myself. From the 70s. That was decaf, but this is instant. There's also some tea. We can heat up some water for some English breakfast tea or Earl Grey. And it looks like this is Pana. I'm guessing this is creamer. Yeah, it's shaking around. That's creamer. And some water glasses, coffee cups, actual real cups, not plastic like they normally give in United States hotels, at least for Hilton. We do have water up here, so that's great, and it's on the house, so that's super. I believe we have a refrigerator. We do. We have a little refrigerator. Should we have leftovers? Or maybe we go to a market, we want to bring back some stuff. That's great. All right, there's a luggage rack here. There's a luggage rack over here. Little end table. This is the bed. And they upgraded us. So a lot of places in Europe have double beds, and we were upgraded to, I believe this is a king. Yeah, it looks like a king. We would kill each other in double beds. Well, they would be separate, but anyway. So this is a desk. This is the desk area right here. TV. And the upgrade also included, we do have a converter, which is obviously we're gonna need for down there. And out here, look at this. We have a balcony. It pushes out, doesn't slide. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. We've got a table and chairs, so we can actually sit out here with some wine, some cheese and crackers, or wherever. I don't know. We literally don't know what we're doing except for like 2 tours that we booked. Other than that, we're winging it. That's what we like to do when we travel. And this is my view. And we probably are not going to venture far from the hotel tonight because we were both exhausted. It took us 2 planes, 2 trains, and a tram to get here. But we're here. And the weather here is great. It's windy and it's a cool wind, which is perfect. It's hot in the sun, but then when you get in the shade, it's windy and cool. And it looks like the temperatures are not gonna get any higher than about 75 the entire trip. So I'm very excited about that. All right, the next time you see us, we're gonna be doing dinner. We don't know if we're gonna venture out or just stay here in the hotel. They have really good reviews for the restaurant downstairs at this hotel, so we may stay here. We don't know yet. So that's what you're gonna see next, most likely. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that I love an Aperol Spritz, which is fairly new to my repertoire of beverages. So we just ordered 2 as our first beverage here in Florence. All right, we are about to try our first Aperol Spritzes. It looks fabulous. Do you like it? Yeah. It's even better here. And I'm not just saying that. It's really good. They make it different here. So good. This is something you will not see in the United States. Look at this. Okay, this is not a shop to sell these. This is people who parked their Vespas or motorcycles, mopeds, to come to the school and the bar. Well, we are on a university, so very interesting. Made it into a supermarket, and my husband is in heaven because he loves all of this stuff. Look at that. Looks like they're all ready to eat. Wow. It's like their deli. This is all, and the prices are so reasonable because it's right here. That's where they make it. So we are starting off with a thing of bread. We're eating at the hotel. So on the table here, they have the balsamic vinegar. We are going to this factory in a different city in a few days. And then extra virgin olive oil, you mix it all up, you dip it, and we have Sangiovese. It is amazing and no sulfites. All right, we ate the pizza. Didn't show you the pizza, but it was freaking amazing. This is this minestrone, and that is beef stew. All right, taste it. Tell me how it is. It reminds me of your port stew that you make, port wine stew. How is it?
Super tender.
Super tender? What's the flavor of the sauce?
It's a red wine reduction on black pepper.
Wow.
So it's not Americanized, so there's no potatoes.
Right, it's
there's
just
no
like
carrots.
beef?
It's just really just the stewed beef.
Wow.
There's something else down in here, I'm not sure what it is. Oh, pine nuts.
All right, just the smell of this minestrone soup is amazing. Oh my gosh. Okay. One of the things that drives me bonkers in the United States is that the soups are ridiculously salty. We were at the airport last night and I got like a wonton soup. I had to send it back because it was just like a bowl of salt. Evan, you need to taste this because this is the way a soup should be made without a crap ton of salt. There's no need for it. You can always add salt. You can't take away salt. Isn't that good? It is so well done. It's so good. It's Okay, I think
ingredients.
we are gonna have so much fun eating and drinking on this trip. Our final dish of the night is this chicken, brown sauce. What's the name of this cheese?
Pecorino.
Pecorino. And this, I don't know, the sauce. It's like figs in it. So good. So good. I'm moving here. And just like that, after an extremely long travel day, I'm going to wrap this day up. Lots of adventure ahead. So I have a feeling I might be doing this as a daily vlog for the entire length of the trip. So we'll see, but I'm not posting. By the time you guys see this, I will not be here anymore. I'll be on to the next city. So anyhow, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. There'll be a lot more Italy content. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure, which is probably tomorrow. All right, good night.